he threw it.
Okay, that's it.
The other boy who stabbed him threw it. It's right there.
How do y'all know?
Cause I see it. We were right there.
Okay.
We were right there. We were with all of them.
Y'all were in the car?
And they was arguing because, two tires had popped. 2 tires on his Mini Cooper had popped. We was on the side of the road for an hour, 30 minutes. I swear to God.
Then they start.
No, there's a lot going on.
I know. Right.
We was on the road for an hour and 30 minutes. They started arguing because.
She was talking to you about.
Do y'all know who they are?
Yeah, I don't know who they are. No, I don't know who they are.
You don't know anyone?
I used to go to school with the one who stabbed that boy.
Okay.
But the boy in there who got stabbed, I don't know him like that. I went to school at Winder. I don't know him like that.
Right.
So this boy in this Mini Coupe that had picked me and Kira up, we was on a 2-man, if you know what that is. I don't know if you know what a 2-man is.
What is that?
Me and my friend go with this other one. 2 is 2 big. That's how it goes.
Okay.
That's a 2-man.
Here.
Basically.
Let's walk back over here.
Okay, come on. I don't care.
But.
I'm telling the story.
I know.
Basically, his tires popped because he was speeding. His tires popped on the median. We pulled up right here. Right here. We was here for an hour and 30 minutes. Then shit started getting hectic. They start arguing and shit. And then they start fighting. That boy beat his ass. That boy who got stabbed beat his ass. And then they stabbed him and he drove off. That's all it was.
I don't know. All I heard was somebody stabbed him.
Yeah, he drove off.
So you said they were talking about fighting?
No, they wasn't even talking about fighting. They was just talking and then it got to fighting.
They got to fighting?
Yeah, and then the nigga who got stabbed beat him up and then the stabbed him and he drove off. I don't know where he's at.
So who got beat up?
The nigga who drove off. The nigga who stabbed him got beat up.
Okay.
And he drove off.
Alright.
Right here. Right here. And there was police passing us the whole time, but nobody was doing nothing. No police ever do nothing until every time somebody get hurt and then y'all pull up. That shit's crazy.
No. You get it wrong. The police walked by.
Police drove by numerous times. Nobody did shit until somebody got stabbed. And then y'all want to pull up.
How are we supposed to know anything's going on?
If they're fighting in the middle of the street, y'all supposed to pull up.
Well, you said it happened in the car.
No, it didn't happen in the car. I said it happened right here. Y'all aren't listening. I'm finna cry.
Here, hey. Here, what's your name, David?
I don't have a name. No, I don't have a name.
No. Have a seat.
I don't have a name. Don't touch me.
You were in the car, so you were involved.
No, I wasn't. Don't touch me, bro. Stop touching me.
Stop
touching me. No. Stop touching me.
Yeah, we'll go in here. Put our hands up.
Stop touching me.
Have a seat.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I swear to God. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Listen.
Oh my God. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
So you were the other person in the car?
We're trying to figure out what's going on. We got the other guy.
So who else was in the car? The other girl? 3 girls. She's a witness to it.
Search her.
Bro, I don't want to get handcuffed. I swear to God, let me the go. Let me the go. I swear to God, let me go, bro. Let me go.
Hey, my car right there.
Let me go.
Put the stuff in the back.
Let me go. What? Let me go. What? Let me fucking go. Like I stabbed it and you stupid. Like I swear to God. Let me go. Let me go.
Let's take seatbelts down. Move that out of the way. Watch.
Do you wish to talk with us?
I will talk with you. I don't care. This don't got nothing to do with me. I don't even know these.
All right. So you told me briefly when we were talking
No,
about
but can you get me out these handcuffs, please?
We'll do that in a second, okay? So you said that y'all were in the car, y'all were on a
Basically,
double
no,
date.
let me go from the beginning. So I don't even stay up here. I used to stay up here, but I moved to Gainesville like a year ago.
Yeah.
So I stay in Gainesville in Hall County or whatever. In a nice suburban little area. Like, I don't even get into this ghetto shit. That's why I don't hang around black people. So basically, they picked me up or whatever. We were supposed to go on a 2-man. Me and that girl in the pink jacket. It was 2 and 2. It was me and her and 2. So we drove up here or whatever. And we just was walking downtown or whatever. We wasn't going to go into any clubs because it's a Sunday. Like, we wasn't going to go into any clubs. We got food. And then he was riding. The boy, DeAndre, you know who that is now?
No.
He was the one in the car, the one who stabbed that other boy. DeAndre, that's his name. He was speeding. He hit a median. He popped 2 of his tires on the left side. Both on the left side. He popped 2 of his tires. So we pulled over right here because the boy who got stabbed told him to. The boy who got stabbed name is, I forgot him. I don't know, start with a J, I think. I forgot his name. Anyway, the boy told him to pull over, so he pulled over. Like an hour and 30 minutes had passed. That's when Meech, the other girl right there in the black, had drove up because we was like, we need to get home. We don't know how we're going to get home on 2 pop tires. So she pulled up or whatever. Everybody was arguing because I guess we were mad because the tire had popped or whatever. But then the 2 boys started arguing. Mind you, they're friends, so we don't know nothing about nothing. Like, we're all friends, but they're friends. We don't really know them. So they start arguing or whatever. And then the boy who got stabbed started beating DeAndre up, like he was on the ground and everything. DeAndre pulled out a knife out of his pocket. I don't know where the he got that knife from. I didn't even know if it was in his pocket the whole time. He pulled out a knife, he stabbed him, he got in the car, he drove off. Me, Meech, and Kira over there, we was like, what's going on, what's going on? Like, we saw it, but we really didn't know because we not even used to this shit. Like, I don't even know what's going on. And then DeAndre threw his phone before he drove off. That's why I had ran over there to look for it, but they had already found it. I thought it was in the grass, but it was on the sidewalk.
What color is your phone?
Where's my phone?
Yeah, what color
My
is it?
phone is in the car, but it's pink. It's an iPhone 15.
Because there's a phone over there that's pink.
My phone?
A phone. I don't know whose phone it is. That's why I was asking what color it was.
Pink?
It's like pink, rose gold.
No, my phone is like
Pink.
bright pink.
Yeah.
It's pink?
You know, it's like
Bright
rose
pink?
gold.
But I thought I had my phone before I even got put in these handcuffs. I think Meech got my phone. I think that's his phone.
Yeah, that's like rose gold.
Yeah, that's his phone.
Who's the victims?
Yeah. Yeah. The one DeAndre threw the victim's phone.
Okay. All right. So let me ask you this.
But DeAndre,
You said that they were fighting. When they were fighting,
like
did
fight,
huh?
like fighting, like
Just
the boy
fighting.
who got stabbed had picked DeAndre up and threw him on the ground or whatever,
Yeah,
and
then
was
what
like
happened?
punching him. And then DeAndre, as soon as DeAndre got up, he stabbed him. And then the other boy had ran off like over there somewhere. And we was like, come back, because we didn't know what was going on.
So you
at the
said
moment.
here's listen. Let me slow you down a little bit. We got DeAndre got slammed.
Yeah.
He got slammed, and then at what point did he stab?
DeAndre got slammed. He finally got up because the boy had really got off with him because he had already won at that point. Ain't no need to keep fighting.
Yeah.
Then DeAndre pulled the knife out his pocket and stabbed him.
Where was he at when he got stabbed?
We were all right here.
Where,
like
was he
up
standing? Was he
in front of
standing?
the car,
Was he
basically.
standing? Was he sitting?
No, DeAndre was
The guy
yeah,
who-
DeAndre was standing up. The other guy was laying down on the ground.
When he stabbed him.
When he